Today is Tuesday, Parashat Nitzavim-Vayelech. We're going to be reading two parashiot this coming Shabbat. Parashat Vayelech, the second parasha, includes in it the final mitzvah in the Torah. Well, there are 613 mitzvot in the Torah. 248 mitzvot are positive commandments, and 365 are negative commandments. The final mitzvah in the Torah is the mitzvah of writing a Sefer Torah. The first mitzvah in the Torah is the mitzvah to marry and procreate and have children. Peru urvu milu et haaretz. That was the first mitzvah given in the first parasha, which was Bereshit. Here, Vayelech actually is the third parasha. If you go from the end, you have Vayelech, then Ha'azinu and Zot HaBeracha. But this is the final mitzvah in the Torah. The mitzvah of writing a Sefer Torah. Of course, if you're a scribe, you write a Sefer Torah, but if you're not a scribe, then you can commission a Sefer Torah to be written. But even if it's not a full Sefer Torah, even if you participate in the purchase of a Sefer Torah, or like many times several communities do a project where you can buy a letter in the Sefer Torah, you donate, you make a small contribution, and that small contribution participates together with others to buy Sefer Torah. And the Sefer Torah that is written today is the same exact text without any variation, without any difference from all the way from generation to generation, all the way up to Moshe Rabbeinu. Same exact text, no matter where you are in the world or what country, if Sephardic, Ashkenazi, exactly the same Torah, no change. There is one word which between Sephardim and Ashkenazim is written with one letter that is different, Daka, which some write with Aleph and some write with He, but it's still the same pronunciation, and Aleph and He are letters that sometimes are interchangeable. So that's the only thing that you could find as a difference between one Sefer Torah and another anywhere in the world. And the writing of a Sefer Torah is a very, very important mitzvah, because the Torah really is the insurance policy of Am Yisrael. What has maintained us in terms of our survival as a nation is our Holy Torah. And the Holy Torah is something that is unchanged from generation to generation. Of course, the application of the laws of the Torah can be applied to whatever situation as the world progresses in terms of science or technology or different things. That if before Shabbat was not only about lighting a fire, then now it's also about lighting a light or turning on an electronic device. But still, it's the same principles, and the same Torah that was generations ago is the same Torah that is applicable today, and that really, in truth, any community, Jewish community, that has maintained Torah as part of its education of the next generation is a Torah that is a generation that has survived. It's a community that has survived. And those that did not preserve and continue to educate the next generation in Torah, then it's a community that over time has assimilated and totally sort of disappeared as its Jewish identity. So this is the final mitzvah in the Torah, is a mitzvah of writing a Sefer Torah. And writing a Sefer Torah meaning to not just write it and put it away, but to read in it, like we take it out 3 times or 4 times in the week, and every week at least Monday, Thursday, Shabbat morning and Shabbat afternoon. But there's one point sometimes that is missed, which is it's not just the scroll of the Torah written on parchment with all the strict rules that apply to it, how it's written, etc., but also all the books of Torah teachings, whether it's books that are written by rabbis or the oral Torah of Mishnah, Gemara, all the books that we can have at home or in a library to be inspired and learn from are most important. So Kitvu Lachem et Hashira Azot, which is the commandment in this parasha, is not just about the scroll of Torah on parchment that we put in the Aron HaKodesh in the synagogue. It very much, and in a way, according to Chachamim, even more important, the books of Torah and the Torah teachings that we have, not as books that just stay on the shelves, but books that come out from the shelf and are open and read and inspired and used as a source of inspiration how to lead our lives, how to follow the rules of the Torah. And that's the most important mitzvah. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.